Mayor is here? Very good. Perfect timing, Mayor. Actually, Mayor, I was just at the part of the program where I was going to introduce you. It's now my pleasure to introduce the Honorable Edwin Lee, the Mayor of the City and County of San Francisco. Mayor, would you like to say a few words about this project if I don't put you on the spot? Thank you.
Well, thank you. I guess my timing is still okay. Well, everybody, thank you for being here. And you know, housing, and especially affordable housing, is such a challenge these days. And with the economy being as down as it is, with the lack of help we get from the feds and the state, we got to do a lot on our own. And that means we have to have the most creative people working partnerships with the other committed and creative people around in our whole community. So it's no wonder you got the Union Bank, you got Wells Fargo working together with the Federal Home Loan Bank, you got the Institute of Aging working with Bridge Housing, you got redevelopment working with the mayor's office, everybody, including our public health department, all putting their best synergies together to create this fantastic place that when I walked in, the first thing I asked was, where is my unit? Because just to understand, you've got 125 units, 25 of which are going to be targeted for our most frail, our most vulnerable, sitting on top of 2 floors of fantastic health, social service, creative types of supportive things that we can do for our seniors. It's that kind of magic that says only in San Francisco can we open this thing up like this when everybody else is talking about layoffs, shutting down, not getting started, not even having good conversations at all. And you just take a look around you. I think we're really, really lucky to be in this city, to have people that are so committed to working together. And I also want to thank everybody that even when you brought the neighborhood had these problems with the size and the mass, we found a way to get through that, to find a common agreement, to look forward to a day like this, where you can see the seniors, as happy as they are, be able to have an affordable unit here in the middle of our great city. This is a wonderful accomplishment, and I know that there was a lot of sweat, a lot of tears behind doing all of this, and I want to thank everybody involved, and especially Bridge. You're such a magnificent housing provider and developer. You've done wonderful things working alongside the Institute. It's just a great, marvelous combination. So I'm here to say thank you to everybody who participated in this. And as I saw down this street, riding so many times to see what we were going to do with the old Coronet, what was going to be here, and how it was going to transform. And I'm just so glad to see so many people find the opportunity to make sure this happens. So for future generations of people who are going to be serviced here, come here, be able to live here in a very comfortable way, and then to make sure that this serves yet another example as to why we fight for redevelopment, why we do things right in the city, to make sure Fred Blackwell and Doug and others keep these examples coming, that we know in San Francisco we continue doing it right, and now they don't get paid up there until they start listening to people and getting the work done. Thank you very much for this opportunity.
Mayor, thank you so much for your thoughts.